Welcome aboard Great Escape, a 2008 Sea Ray Sundancer 330, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Sundancer series is Sea Ray's most iconic series of boats, a luxury class express with the right mix of quality and performance. The Sundancer 330 is a brilliant, entertaining platform and an inviting place to spend the entire day on the water. And with a sleek and stylish appearance that's both modern and unmistakably Sea Ray, the Sundancer 330 is a boat you'll be proud to own and proud to share. The spacious swim platform with an added hydraulic-controlled aft section makes boarding easy both from stepping aboard from the dock and accessing from the water. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the Sundancer 330 allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating. The well-arranged variety of spaces in a cockpit provide easy maneuverability between them and include all the features of a well-designed boat. A clever fold-away transom seat that faces aft for enjoyment at the dock or your favorite beach or raft-up spot. While entertaining, grill it up on the cockpit gourmet station with countertop, grill, and sink. The helm seat offers a commanding view forward and provides optimal vision underway. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including engine display, chart plotter, and a fusion radio. Just next to the wheel is a remote spotlight control and bow thruster control. A bolstered seat provides comfort and support. Moving forward from the cockpit is safe and easy with a walk-through windshield and steps. On the bow, you are greeted with a large area that, when the sunbed cushions are in place, is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. A flush hatch on the bow offers easy access to the windlass, and the controls are placed just outside the hatch. Heading below, the cabin is bathed in a soft light from the hull windows. The main central cabin has easy access to the settee to starboard and a galley to port. Forward is a large berth that also has a convenient hideaway curtain for privacy, making nights on board comfortable and relaxing. The Sundancer 330 spacious cabin features a galley with a refrigerator, a microwave, a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner electric stove, and storage. The aft cabin is a bright and comfortable space that can easily accommodate 2 people and can be set up with a settee or as a berth. There is a sizable and very functional head with shower along with a vacuum flush system. Engine room access is quick and effortless with a push of a switch that operates a powered deck hatch. The Sea Ray Sundancer 330 is equipped with twin Mercruiser 8.1 Horizon 370 horsepower V-drive inboards that provide this Sea Ray with a smooth, fast, and quiet ride. Additionally, the Sea Ray is equipped with a 5 kilowatt Kohler generator for all the comforts while out on the water. To book your appointment to view this Sea Ray Sundancer 330, contact Little Yacht Sales.